Welcome to this week's edition of Market Outlook for the week starting 6th March 2023. I'm making this video after a long gap because I thought there was no change that was happening in the market. Now things have changed a lot, so let's see where the market is headed now. Now let's look at the Nifty. Nifty, you can see that it is moving in this channel, and what has happened earlier also, what I've already spoken about earlier also is that these these two lines are the support lines. This one is the support line. This is a long-term support line. So we came very near to this long-term support line and gone up. You can also see there's a channel here in which Nifty is moving. Uh, So we can easily conclude that whatever was supposed to happen to the fall in the Nifty is over, done and dusted. I think now we are back. We are going back, and then probably the first resistance will be somewhere around 17,700 or 700 odd. That will be the first resistance. But for a reversal to happen, Nifty has to go close above 17,911. So this is a very crucial number for Nifty to reverse from here to go start going up. To start a bull run, it has to cross 17,911. It has to close above that level. Okay, that's about Nifty. Let's go to Bank Nifty now. Nifty Bank has to break out above 14,700, 14,800 or so, 750 to 800 or so. And if it closes above that, 41,750 or so, then we have a reversal on the Bank Nifty. Well, that's for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now let's go to the stocks. The talk of the town, talk of the world has been Adani. Adani, whatever was so happened to Adani has happened. It went up down all the way up to 1018, and it has just given a breakout on 3rd March. So from here onwards, from here onwards, I think Adani may not be bullish, but it will be at least sideways. Adani Ports has come back very strongly. You can see here this is a flag pattern 394 to 607, so around 200 rupees flag pattern is there. So 800 seems to be the target for Adani Ports. Apollo Hospitals, there is no trade. It gave a breakout on 15th February, and then touched a high of 4668, and from there it has been going down. I think this run is over now. There is no trade as of now. Asian Paints has been doing very badly for the last, should I say, from August 2022 onwards. So nearly 8 months now it has been doing very badly, and it is time for Asian Paints to pull back, and it will start its bull run once it crosses 2,900, and from there you can easily see 3,400 in Asian Paints. Axis Bank, I've been waiting for Axis Bank to become a 1,000 rupee stock. This is not happening right now. I don't know why. It should happen anytime. The breakout is 890. If it breaks out of 890, then this time at least I think we can see 950 and then probably 1,000 rupees. So let's cross our fingers and wait for it. Bajaj Auto, there is no trade. Sorry. Bajaj Finserv also there is no trade. Bajaj Finance also there is no trade. I think it is on the verge of a breakdown. If it breaks down above below this 6017, then you can it can go up to 5600. Bharti Airtel had given a breakdown on 27th December. From there, the target was 755, which is already achieved. Possibility of a target is 700 rupees. So let's wait until 700. BPCL, there is no trade as of now. Britannia is on the verge of breakdown. You can see here if it breaks down this line, I think the next target would be 4,000. This line of 4,235 happens to be a very good support for Britannia. Cipla has been falling very badly right from November onwards, and now it has reached 878. There is no sign of recovery. It is at the same levels at which it was in February 20. There is no sign of recovery. It is at the same levels at which it was in February 2022. Next target seems to be 862 or so. So let's hope that it reaches that, but there's no trade as of now. Coal India happens to Coal India. It seems like there is a nice rounding curve here, rounding bottom here. So I think you can expect Coal India to break away from this 226, and then next target would be 231. And from once it crosses 231, then we can see it going all the way up to 250. Divi's Lab, there is no trade. Dr. Reddy's, no trade at all. Eicher Motors has been going sideways right from December onwards, 23rd December onwards, and it has to break either way. I think it will break on the top, but if it has to break above 3,350, and then only we can see a up move in Eicher Motors. Grasim has been going down, and unless it crosses 1670 or something like that, 1670 or something like that, then it will not, there will not be any up move in it. Until then, we are going in a channel in a sideways motion afterwards. So HCL Tech has given a breakdown actually on 28th February, but from that breakdown, suddenly it has started moving up. So I think we can expect this with HCL Tech to at least go to 1148, and from there, if it breaks out 1150, then we can see higher levels in HCL Tech. HDFC Bank is moving sideways right from 11th November onwards. You can see this line I have drawn. It has to break this line and go up 2725. It has to break and then go up. If it breaks 2725, then only we can expect a rally in HDFC. HDFC Bank also has been moving sideways. Same again from November onwards, and the line for HDFC to cross is around 1670 or something like that. It has to cross 1670, then only you find this stock going up. HDFC Life is a very long term bet. It has been moving sideways. I think it's time to keep on accumulating. Hero Motors has done very badly from it gave a breakdown on 23rd December. From there, it has been doing very badly. There seems to be no pullback as of now. So, if it pulls back, then it has to pull back above 27. This thing, this 2572, and then only they will find a rally coming in Hero Motors. Hindalco has not yet pulled back. It seems like 3 days it has pulled back, but yes, the target of Hindalco was 380, so it has come only up to 399, 398, and then gone up. It has to cross 444 to give a breakout. Until then, there is no respect, so there is no trade in Hindalco. Hindustan Unilever, as of now, there is no trade. It is still going down, but the target is achieved. Obviously, the target was 2439. It is achieved. So maybe it can go sideways from here or pull back. So I expect it to go sideways. ICICI Bank is poised for a breakout now. I think today, tomorrow, it may give a breakout above 870. If it goes above 870, next target is 912, and then for probably 940. So brace yourself for a rally in ICICI Bank. IndusInd Bank seems like there is a small, you can see here, there seems to be a rounding bottom here. Seems like it is poised for a breakout, but if you look at the trend line, it is there seems to be a strong resistance at these levels. So it has to break out of this and break out to 1160. Then only you will find some rally in it. Until then, there is no trade. Infosys gave a breakdown on 22nd, 27th February. From then it has come down, but the target was very small. Target was around 1460 or so, and that is already reached. So either sideways from here or Infosys will go up. And if it goes up, it goes to 1563. ITC is in a very sweet spot. ITC 330 to 38, 390. This is 60 rupees worth flag here. If it crosses 390, then 450 is the target. JSW, you can see it gave a breakdown on 24th January. From there, it has been moving down. Target is 616. A small recovery is there, but the target is still 616, 610 or so. Kotak Bank has been doing very badly right from 12th December onwards. Kotak Bank has to close above 1790 to start moving up. L&T is going to move sideways. It has been moving sideways from 15th December onwards, so it will keep moving sideways. There is no trade as of now. M&M has finished its big run that it had. Now I think time for consolidation. So this breakdown will make it go to 1217. Maruti, as of now, there is no trade. Actually, it had given a breakout on 24th January. From there, that way the target was expected to be 3,000, 9,400 or so, but Seems like it is moving sideways, so let's cross our fingers and wait. Nestle, you can see here, that is the resistance level. So, and Nestle has been moving in a channel kind of a formation. So you can expect Nestle to still go down around 18,000 levels before it starts moving up. This is a very interesting thing. NTPC has been moving sideways for a long time, and it seems like it is give a breakout now. If it closes above 175, I think you can expect it to go all the way up to 180. That's 5 rupees. ONGC has been steadily moving up right from September onwards, and you'll find that I think the target for ONGC should be 165 or so. Power grid also seems to be just breaking out. If it breaks out, then probably it will start moving up, and then it will go to 235. Reliance has been stuck in this bearish run right from where this is 1st December onwards. It has been moving down. It has to cross this blue line to start moving up. So let's hope that it crosses 2400, and then decisive breakout will come only when it crosses 2450. And once it crosses 2450, you can expect 2700 on Reliance. SBI Life, again, any life insurance company stock is a very long-term investment. So we can go on. You just keep accumulating life insurance company stocks. SBI gave a breakout. SBI has given a breakout on 3rd March, and this breakout will lead it to 600 rupees again. Sun Pharma, there is no trade. Tata Consumer, there is no trade. Tata Motors, there is a strong support obviously, but uh, expectation is that Tata Motors should have hit 480 or so, but it seems like it has run out of steam. So let's wait and watch for Tata Motors. Tata Steel is bearish, and there is no trade as of now. TCS has also been going sideways for a long time now, and it has not you can see here, but slowly and surely TCS has been moving up also. So uh, on a long term basis you can see this seems to be a very interesting trend line. So um, along this trend line you can expect TCS to move. So long term it seems like good, and what the breakdown that it has given on 27th February, uh, target is nearly reached. So I think you can start accumulating TCS. Tech Mahindra gave a big breakout on 15th and 16th of February, and then but it has run out of steam. So you can expect sideways movement from here. Titan is going down. 2272 seems to be the 2270 seems to be the target. Ultratech has been doing well actually. It gave a breakout on 1st February and then reached its target of 7,417 or so. If you have bought it at that time, I think it's time to get your stop loss done. 7265 is the stop loss. UPL is a very volatile stock. It's a good trader stock that way. It always moves in a range. Now it is in a buying range. I think if you buy now, I think you can expect 750 or so. So around 30-40 rupees every time you get in this. Wipro has given a breakdown on 27th February, and from there, the target is 377. Well, we come to the end of this week's edition of Market Outlook. Please like, share, and subscribe to this video, and share it with many of your friends so that they will also get benefit out of it. Thank you very much.